The rich don't trade the market, they control it. Every time you panic, they profit because they know one simple truth. The market is not about money, it's about psychology. While retail investors chase green candles, the wealthy study human behavior. They don't predict price, they predict emotion. Here's what they'll never tell you. Rule number one. When the crowd buys, they wait. When the crowd sells, they buy. Patience isn't luck, it's leverage. Rule number two. They don't react to headlines, they create them. When you read fear, they've already positioned for profit. Rule number three. They never gamble, they prepare. Every move is calculated, every risk is pre-priced. Because real wealth doesn't come from guessing, it comes from waiting. And here's the final truth. The rich don't play the stock market for excitement. They play it for dominance. This is Money Decoded, where AI decodes how the rich think, trade, and win.